Okay, I've been watching Jeffy today, and I already have a giant fat Mario. He's over there. And I'm going to play some Jeffy, but I'm going to use a different stuffed animal for Jeffy. It's not a puppet, but it's going to be like a jigsaw with Jeffy and Mario. So Jeffy's getting revenge on Mario for not letting him go to the movies and for cussing him out. On that episode, Jeffy went to the movies. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's go. That's what Jeffy does all day. The only thing Jeffy does all day is just... Keep the mask on. Who should Jeffy be? You don't have his pants. No, not the same effect. How am I you? Who's Strawberry Jeffy? This is Jeffy has 2 buck teeth. Oh! SpongeBob, you're Jeffy today. No, I don't want to be Jeffy today. Well, you have to. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Jeffy. What doing? I am stuck in a jigsaw trap. Don't you see that? But Daddy, how do I get you out? I don't know, Jeffy. But you have to get Daddy out of here. But I don't know. You have to. I don't know how. You have to. I don't know how. You have to. I don't know how. Okay, well, this will be filmed from right here. It's me, Anthony Godson. Now, this is Jeffy. Hello. Hello. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Arf, arf, arf. Arf, 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 arf. Oh, Daddy. I will not get revenge on you. Stop it. Stop it. How do I get this stupid thing off? Yeah. I'm not part of Halo. I'm not sure why, Daddy. I'm playing Halo. No!